Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to firstly turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. When you're in this mode, you have to use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the second option, Fastboot mode. And after that, you will enter Fastboot mode, what these letters, small letters here saying. If you want to exit Fastboot mode, just hold down power key for about 10 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted. Okay, let's try all the keys at once. If this won't work, we are going the hardcore method. To exit this mode, you firstly have to remove back cover from your device, and then remove battery from it. And as you can see, no Fastboot mode anymore. Then put battery back in, back cover back on, and hold down power key to turn your device back on. And that's how you can exit Fastboot mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.